Good morning, children. Today we will start chapter 7, rounding numbers. In rounding numbers, in daily life we will see that suppose someone is asked how many children in your class. Suppose in your class 48 children. Sometimes you will speak approx 50. Okay, we speak like this, approx 50 students are there in my class. So that time we are giving approximate answer. Suppose you went to market and you have buy something and you spend some money, suppose 1350 and something, and when your mother will ask you, you give answer like this, approx 1400. Okay, so approximation, we are doing here approximation answer that we will do today. How to approx answer we will give and how we will rounding the numbers. Here 2 digits we are rounding, 1s, 10s. So 48 is where we are writing 50, it is nearest 10. It is called nearest 10. And here 1350 we are rounding up 1400. So it is called nearest 100. Okay. Now today we will see how to do this nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh and crore also. So before, now here we will take an example how to round off the given number. Suppose question is that nearest 10. We have to round up this number nearest 10. So how to do? First you will see, when we round a given number to the required place, we consider the next digit at the right side. That means it is tens place number, so we will see this ones place number. If this digit is 5 or more than 5, if this digit is 5 or either 5 or more than 5, more than that number, okay, more than 5, then what you will do? You will add in this place 1 and this number will be 0. Look here. In this example, here 8. Nearest 10, it is 4. We will see ones place number. Ones place number is 8. 8 is greater than 5. Okay. If it is greater than or equal to, then we will add in this tens place number. So when we will add with 4, one number, we will get 5 and then next number will be 0. It become 0. Understood? Suppose if we will take another number, that is 59. Okay. Here nearest 10 we have to do. So we will see the ones place number which is 9. 9 is greater than 5. Okay. 9 is greater than 5. So what you will do? You will add in tens place one number. So 5 plus 1 become 6 and this digit will be 0. So nearest of 59 is 60. Understood? When it is greater than 5. Now next case is when it is equal to 5. Here tens place number is 3. Ones place number is 5. Okay. It was 1. It was 2. Now in number 2, 5 is in ones place number. Okay. Ones place digit is 5. Now 5 is equal to 5. So if it is equal to 5 or greater than 5, both the case is same. We will add here 1, then 3 plus 1 become 4 and this number will be 0. That right side digit will be 0. Understood? So when it is greater than or equal to, same thing you will do. You will add 1 in the tens place digit and put here 0, that is right place number. Understood? Now here 23. When it is less number, number 3 it is when it is less number. Here in 3, ones place digit is 3. 3 is less than 5. When it is less than, then this number will not change. You will not add any number and what you will do? You will write as it is this number and this right place number will be 0. Understood? Same thing you will do in 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Now we will start exercise. Then you will understood clearly. exercise 7.1. In question number 1, round each of the following to the nearest 10. It is, you have to round up nearest 10. Okay, question number 1 is 28, number 2 is 35 and number 3 is 376. Here nearest 10, 2 digits, it is ones place, it is tens place. When nearest 10 is there, you will have to see ones place number. Ones place digit is 8. 8 is greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5. So I told you, if it is greater or equal, what you will do? You will add here 1. When you will add 2 plus 1, we will get 3 and this number will be 0. So its nearest number is 30. So it is the answer. Understood? Now in 35, here ones place digit is 5. 5 is equal to 5. Okay, 5 is equal to 5. Same thing you will do in that greater than sign is there. Same thing you will do in equal sign also. Here you will add 1. When you will add 3 plus 1, you will get 4. And this digit will be 0. Understood? So it is the answer of number 2. Now in this question 3 digits are there. Then also you will see the ones place number because question is nearest 10. Here it is 6. 6 is greater than 5. Okay, 6 is greater than 5. Then also you will add here 1. In which place? Tens place number. So it becomes 7 plus 1 is 8 and this digit will be 0. So it is the nearest 10 of the given number. Understood? One more question we will see, that is number 4. 3 as it is you will do. Number 4 is 334. 334. Here ones place digit is 4. So 4 is less than 5. Okay. So when it is less than, what you will do? As it is you will leave the number. That means it will be as it is you will write and this digit will be 0. So it is the nearest 10 of the given question. Understood? Now next question is question number 2. Now next question is question number 2, nearest 100. In nearest 100, it is ones, tens, 100. I told you when the given number to the required place, we consider the next digit. So we will consider the tens place digit. Here tens place digit is 1. Okay, it is 1. So this 1 is less than 5. So if it is less than 5, what you will do? You will, as it is, you will write this number. That means you will write 3 and both the digits will be 0. Understood? So it is the answer of number 1. Now next see again nearest 100. So you will see the tens place digit 7. Okay, tens place digit 7. 7 is greater than 5. So if it is greater than 5, then you will add in the required number of nearest number, that is 6. You will add here 1. 6 plus 1 becomes 7 and this will be 0. So 676 nearest is 700. Understood? Next question is question number 3. Nearest 1000. Here ones, tens, 100, 1000. It is 1000 place. It is the required number to rounding of this number. So we will see the 100 place number. It is 100 place. Okay, it is 100 place digit is 2. So 2 is less than 5. So if it is less than what I told you, as it is you will write the number. So 5 as it is you will write and all the digits will be 0. So it is the nearest 1000. Again you will see here it is ones, tens, 100, 1000. You have to see the 100 place number because it is the required number to round off. So 8. 8 is greater than 5. If it is greater than, you will add here 1. Which number? Which is required number of nearest. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Then all the digits will be 0. So it is the answer of 3850. Now you will see here nearest 10,000. Here in the nearest 10,000, you will have to see the 1000 place. Okay. It is a 10,000. It is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, then 10,000. So here it is the required place to nearest we have to do. Now we will see the thousand place number, which is 5. Here 5 is equal to 5. Okay. So what we will see? What we will do? Here we will add 1. 7 plus 1 is 8, and then all the digits will be 0. So it is the answer. Understood? Now next here again, it is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So we have to see the thousand place number, which is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So if it is greater than 5, here you will add 1, which is required number of rounding. That 7 plus 1 is 8, and that all the digits will be 0. So it is the nearest 10,000. Now here you will see nearest lakh. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 lakh. So which number we will see? We will see the next right digit. It is 7, which is 10,000 place. So 7 is greater than 5. So if it is greater than, you will add here 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3, and all the numbers will be 0. Understood? Next question is question number 3. Nearest 1000. Here ones, tens, hundred, thousand. It is 1000 place. It is the required number to rounding of this number. So we will see the 100 place number. It is 100 place. Okay, it is 100 place digit is 2. So 2 is less than 5. So if it is less than what I told you, as it is you will write the number. So 5 as it is you will write, and all the digits will be 0. So it is the nearest 1000. Again you will see here, it is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. You have to see the 100 place number because it is the required number to round off. So 8. 8 is greater than 5. If it is greater than, you will add here 1. Which number? Which is required number of nearest. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Then all the digits will be 0. So it is the answer of 3850. Now you will see here nearest 10,000. Here in the nearest 10,000, you will have to see the 1000 place. Okay. It is a 10,000. It is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, then 10,000. So here it is the required place to nearest we have to do. Now we will see the 1000 place number, which is 5. Here 5 is equal to 5. Okay. So what we will see? What we will do? Here we will add 1. 7 plus 1 is 8, and then all the digits will be 0. So it is the answer. Understood? Now next here again, it is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So we have to see the 1000 place number, which is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So if it is greater than 5, here you will add 1. Which is required number of rounding. That 7 plus 1 is 8, and that all the digits will be 0. So it is the nearest 10,000. Now here you will see nearest lakh. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 lakh. So which number we will see? We will see the next right digit. It is 7, which is 10,000 place. So 7 is greater than 5. So if it is greater than, you will add here 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3, and all the numbers will be 0. Understood? Similarly here, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 lakh. Now next number is 2. Here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 lakh. So we have to see that 10,000 place number, which is 5. 5 is equal to 5. So here we will add 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. All the digits will be 0. Understood? So it is the answer. So it is the nearest lakh. Now you will see the nearest. Next question, that is question number 6. Nearest 10 lakh. Nearest 10 lakh, that is question 3857410 and 8299789. Here in nearest 10 lakh, it is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It is the required which we have to round up. Now here we have to see this lakh place number. Okay, lakh place number we will see, which is 8. 8 is greater than 5. Again it is greater than 5, so we will add here 1. So what will come? 3 plus 1 is 4 and all the digits will be 0. Understood? So it is the answer. Next again, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It is the required place that we have to round up the nearest 10 lakh. So we have to see the lakh place number. It is 2. 2 is less than 5. So as it is, we will write the number and all the digits will be 0. Understood? So it is the answer. Now next we will see, that is question number 7. In question number 7, nearest crore. In nearest crore, 8541276412954287. Here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So it is crore which is asking in the question. We have to see this 10 lakh place number. Now it is 5. 5 is equal to 5. So it will be add here. We will add here 1 because it is equal to 5. So 8 plus 1 is 9 and this all the digits will be 0. Understood? So it is the answer. Now similarly again we will see ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So we have to, this number we have to do round up. So we will see the 10 lakh place number, which is 10 lakh place number is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So here we will add 1 in the required number, required place. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and all the digits will be 0. So it is the answer of nearest crore. Next topic is rounding of decimal. Now in rounding decimal, we have to see here rounding decimal to the nearest 1. In nearest 1, if the digit in 10th place, it is a 10th place digit. If it is 1, 2, 3 or 4, we replace the digit in 10th place by 0 and keep the digit in 1's place as it is. If this number will be less than, in this question 2. Let us see in question 2 first. Here it is less than 2. We are measuring number is 5. 2 is less than 5. So if it is less than 5, as it is we will write this number. This one as it is we will write and this number will be 0. So it is the answer. Okay. But if the 10th place digit, it is 9. 9 is greater than 5. If it is greater than or equal to 5, then you will add in this 1's place number, that is 2. 2 plus 1 will be 3 and then after that this number will be 0. So it is the nearest 1 decimal place. Understood? Now you will see in the nearest 10th. In nearest 10th, it is 10th, it is 100. So we have to round up this number. So we will see this 10th place number. This 100 place number. This 100 place number 4. 4 is less than 5. So if it is less than, this number you will leave as it is and this will be 0 and this will be as it is. So it is the nearest 10th. Now similarly again we have to, nearest 10th we have to do. So we will see this 100 place number. This 6. 6 is greater than 5. So if it is greater than 5, then you will add here 1. In which place? This place. So 2.7 plus 1 is 8 and this will be 0. So it is the rounding of nearest 10th. Understood? Now next we will see nearest 100. In nearest 100, we will see this 1000 place number. It is after decimal. So it is tens, hundreds, thousands. So hundreds place number we have to round up. This we have to round up. So we will see this 1000 place number. It is 3. So 3 is less than 5. So if it is less than, as it is you will leave the number. So 7.54 as it is you will leave and this number will be 0. In this question again we will see 1000 place number is C because we have to round up this 9. So it is 6. 6 is greater than 5. So if it is greater than 5, this side digit we will add 1. So when we will add 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, and then these 3 become 4. So answer is 375.406. This is the answer. Understood? Now next question is, now let us start. That is exercise 7.2, rounding of numbers. That is exercise 7.2. In exercise 7.2, it is MCQ. Number 1. The given number is 2075048, nearest lakh. Nearest lakh. We have to do. Now see, first ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Nearest lakh. So this number we have to, nearest lakh we have to, this number we will round up. So first we will see this 10,000 place number, which is 7. 7 is greater than 5. If it is greater than 5, then you will add here 1. So what it become? 3. It become 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. And all the digits will be 0. So it is the nearest lakh. So your option number A. Your option number A you will put correct. Now in number 2, the number is 15.032. So here rounded to nearest hundreds we have to. Nearest 100. Ones, tens, sorry, it is tens, hundreds, thousand. We have to do this one, round up 2 decimal place. So what we will see? We will see this number. Okay, this 2. 2 is less than 5. So if it is less than, as it is, you will leave the number and you will put it will be 0. So it is the round up of nearest 100, which is your option number D. So you will put correct in D. Now next is number 3. In number 3, given number is 110.8, round up to the nearest 1. It is nearest 1. In nearest 1, here this number you will see, we have to round up this number. It is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So we will add here 1. So 110 plus 1 is 111 and this will be 0. So it is the answer, which is your option number E. So you will put correct, put tick mark in E. Now question number 4 is the number 5.009, nearest 100. Nearest 100. Here nearest 100. This we have. This is the required place. So we will see this 1000 place number. It is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So this number will be 0. Here we will add 1. So it will be 5.010. This is the answer, which is your option number D. So you will put tick mark in D. Now next is question number 5. Here 10.47 rounded to the nearest 10th. Nearest 10th. So it is the required place to nearest 10th. So we have to see this number. 100 place number. It is 5. 5 is equal to 5. So here we will add 1. So 10.4 plus 1 is 5 and this will be 0. So it is the correct answer, which is your option number B. So you will put tick mark in B. So we have completed MCQ. Now question number 2 is omit. We will start question number 3. That is your question number 3. Round each of the following to the nearest one. That is number 1 24.5 and number 2 is 32.6 and number 3 is 96.7. Here nearest one it is. Nearest one. So we will see this place number. Okay, tens place number it is 5. So 5 is equal to 5. So we will add here 1. This 24 become 25 and this 5 will be 0. Understood? Similarly in this question it is 6. So 6 is again greater than 5. So we will add here 1. 32 become 33 and this number will be 0. Now next is, it is 7. 7 is greater than 5. So we will add here 1. 96 plus 1 is 97 and this will be 0. So this is the nearest one. Rest of the question you will do. That is your 3, 4 and 5. It is an exercise 7.2. In 7.1, which question I have not, rest of the question you will have to do. That is also in the question number 3, 4 and 5 in all the question. 1 to 7. And here it was number 3. Okay, now next we will see, that is question number 4. In question number 4, round up each to the nearest tenth. Nearest tenth. Number 1 is 35.39. Number 2 is 339.96. Number 3 is 875.55. 3 I did. Look here. This is number 4 now. Nearest 10. So it is the 10th place. This number we have to round up. So we will see this 100th place number. It is 9. Now 9 is greater than 5. Okay. So what you will do? You will add here 1. When you will add here 1, what we will write? We will get 35.3 plus 1 is 4 and this number will be 0. Okay. Now next again see. This is the 10th place number. This is the 100th place number. So we have to see 100th place number. It is 6. Now 6 is greater than 5. So here we will add 1. When we will add here 1, 9 plus 1 is 10. Then again it will carry 1. Then 9 plus 1 is 10. Then 3 plus 1 is 4 and this is 3. So 3, 4, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now next is, this is the next question. Again we have to see this number. 5 is equal to 5. Now if it is equal, then again we will add here 1. Then 875.60. This is the nearest of 10th. Understood? Now next we will see question number 5. Now in question 4, you will do this 4 and 5. Here 3 we have completed. You will do 4 and 5. Okay. Now next we will see number 5. That is nearest 100. In nearest 100, 396. Number 2 is, and number 3 is. In this question, nearest 100. So this number we have to round up. So after, that means after decimal, 2 place digit we have to round up. So we will see this 1000 place number. Okay, 6 we have to see. 6 is greater than 5. So what we will do? We will add here 1. Okay, when we will add here 1, 9 plus 1 is 10. Then add here 1, 3 plus 1 is 4 and this number you will write as it is. Okay, that means 375.400. Understood? Next again, it is a required place to round up. We have to see this 7. Okay, that is 1000 place number. Okay, 7 is greater than 5. Now it is greater than 5. Then again you will add here 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and this number will be same. Okay. Now next is, here this 1000 place number is 3. 3 is less than 5. If it is less than, then as it is we will write the number. That number will not change and this will be 0. Understood? So it is the answer. So we have completed 5. You will try to do in 5. That is your question number 4 and 5. Now last question we will see. That is question number 6. In question number 6, express the following fraction as decimal fraction correct up to 3 places of decimal. Now given question is in the mixed fraction. So you know how to break this mixed fraction. 15 to the 30. Then we will add this 13. 30 plus 13 is 43. So 43 by 15. After breaking this mixed fraction, we will multiply this number and we will add 13. Now divide this number. 43 divided by 15. 15 to the 30. 15 3 is 45. 2 times 30. 3 minus 0 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now next, it is not divisible, so we will put decimal. 1 0 we will put here. Now 15 8 ja 120. 15 9 ja 135. So 15 8 ja 120. So this decimal we will put again. 15 6 ja 90. 10 minus 9 1. Then again for this decimal we will put 0. Again it is 90. Now we are seeing here this 6 is repetition. Okay. Again and again this 6 will come. So after dividing we are getting 2.866. Now we have to round up the 3 place. Up to 3 place we have to round up. So what you will see here, again when you will do this, again 6 will come here. Okay. Now 4 digit we have taken. Now we have to round up the 3 decimals. Now 3 decimal, it is the 3 decimal. So we have to see the 4th digit. Now this one is 6 is greater than 5. Okay. 6 is greater than 5. So we will add here 1. So when we will add here 1, we will get this number. So this is the answer, 2.867. Understood? Now next we will see, that is question number 2. It is your last question. 13 5 ja 65. 65 plus 4. It is 69. So 69 by 13. Now you will divide this 69 by 13. 13 5 ja 65. 9 minus 5 4. This is 0. Put point. You will get 0. 13 3 ja 39. 10 minus 9 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. Again for this decimal put 0. Then put here 0. 37 ja 91. 10 minus 1 is 9. It is 0. Now for decimal we will put again 0. 13 6 ja 78. Now subtract it. 1. So we have to 3 digit, we have to round up to 3 digits. So we will stop here. 5.3076. Further you will do same number you will get. We up to 4 digits we have taken. Now we have to round up to 3 digits. So we will see this 6. 6 is greater than 5. So if it is greater than 5, then we will add here 1. 7 plus 1 become 8. So 30, 7 plus 1 is 8. This is the answer. Understood? So next question is 3, 4 and 5. It will be homework. This is your question number 6. You will have to do. Now children,